Yeah. Quite the rain we got out there, fellas. Hopefully when the sun comes out, a rain will form. I'll also post a picture of it. It's a YouTube, yeah. And just look at it out here. Oh, I even heard some lightning too. Oh, hey guys, watch this. Like I ever care. Rain is nice. Oh, you hear that? That's lightning. Yeah, I should probably get some shelter. Yeah. Rain, 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 rain. Yeah. Yeah, see all that over there? Yesterday I was pulling all those branches, putting them on the trailer and driving in one of the trucks over there. It's like temporary habitat for the squirrels, bunnies, and probably baby deer and some deer. Couple deer and doe, well, bucks. Well, basically any gender of deer came and feasted on all that stuff. Yep. Oh yeah, and there's my boat over there. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, hopefully it won't get flooded again and all that nastiness won't come in because I just powered washed it just yesterday. Yesterday was a pretty busy day to me. Yep. Yeah, it listens to that thunder. Yeah. Listen to it. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside. Oh, also one more thing. How I get deer here is that deer feeder over there. Up there's one of my chickens, see? So, yeah, he should get back to the coop. Crap, I should go. Alright. Bye guys, and also happy Father's Day.